3y plus 3x is equal to minus 12. Okay, again what we have to do, we have to put, for finding y we have to put x is equal to 0. Okay, now put x is equal to 0, 3y plus 3 into 0, b part. Now when it is 3 into 0, it will be a 0, is equal to minus 12. Now 3y is equal to minus 12, y will be minus 12 over 3, and 3 4s are 12. So our answer of y-intercept is minus 4. Our y-intercept is minus 4. Our C part is 7x minus 5y plus 15 is equal to 0. Again, we have to put x is equal to 0 in this part. X is equal to 0. We get 7 into 0 minus 5y plus 15 is equal to 0. So 7 0, it will become minus 5y plus 15 is equal to 0. We can take this 15 to other sides. Minus 5y is equal to minus 15. We can take y is equal to minus 15 over minus 5. Answer will be 3. Because minus minus will become plus, and 5 3s are 15. And our answer for y-intercept is answer for y-intercept is 3. Okay, this is C part.